sa'yo, Ellie!
Happy birthday, Ellie! Maging mabuti kang bata paglaki mo at magsikap sa pag-aaral at makadiyos.
Hello, Ellie! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa paborito kong apo. I'd just like you to know, Lolo and Lola is always here for you. And we love you, and God bless you always, and you're such a blessing to us, and you'll always be in our hearts, and we will be here to support you and guide you in everything that you want to do.
Love you, Apo. Alam mo, Apo, ikaw yung answered prayer. Pinag-pray ka namin noon. Bago ka, birthday ng mama mo, that was February 11.
Yes,
February 11, 2023. At napakabuti ng Diyos na ikaw ay pinagkaloob sa amin. Natutunan ko ikaw ay God's gift. Tulad ng pangalan mo, Asher Ellie, na nagsasabi na ikaw ay regalo sa amin ng Panginoon.
I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lost.
Happy birthday, Ellie. Happy birthday, anak. Wish ko lang na lagi mo mapanatili yung mukha mo lagi kang maging masayahin. Matuto kang maging God-fearing lagi sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, and wish ko lang na hanggang sa paglaki mo maging ganun ka lagi, na masunurin ka, hindi ka palasakitin, tsaka alam ko naman na maraming mag-guide sa iyo ng mga tao na tutulong sa atin para na maging God-fearing and maging worker ni Lord.
Happy birthday, anak. We love you. Papa and Mama always here, pati sila Lola. Maging magalang na bata, ha? Susunod ka lagi. And always smile. Okay? I love you so much. We promise na we take good care of you. Gagawin namin lahat para maging maayos. Okay?
Yep.
I love you.
Hello, Ellie. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a very happy baby. Thank you for being the joy of our family. I hope and I pray na ikaw ay maging malusog, masayahin, at mabuting bata. I'm very excited na makasama ka sa Sunday School. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ellie! I pray that pagpapalain ka ng Lord palagi at ikaw ay lumaki na umaasa sa Kanya at sinusundan yung mga commands. So I pray na lalaki ka na naniniwala sa Panginoon. So, yun lang. God bless. Love you.